Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're super excited to review the brand new Silver Cross Dune and Reef travel systems. The Dune and Reef are new, innovative strollers with a compact fold unlike anything you've ever seen. Though they have similar function and usage, the Dune was created to be a more compact version of the Reef, built for city living. You will notice some of their differences as we go through their amazing features. Starting with the materials, the Dune and the Reef are created from luxurious recycled fabric to create a beautiful design of varying textures. They also come in 3 natural colors. When purchasing one of these strollers, out of the box you will get the stroller frame, the seat, a rain cover, a sun sail, and the bassinet when you buy the travel system. For extra functionality as a travel system, these strollers can pair with Silver Cross's infant car seats as well as other popular infant car seat brands with appropriate adapters. The sun sail is a unique addition that allows for greater shade coverage. However, the extra large UPF 50+ canopies also provide excellent coverage if you do not wish to use the sun sail. In addition to shade, these canopies also feature peekaboo windows for you to check in on your little passenger. Both the Dune and Reef come with modular seats that you can use from birth. These seats feature comfortable padding and either face world or parent. You can lift the seat with just one hand. It also features an adjustable headrest and shoulder harness. To adjust, simply squeeze the trigger found on the spine of the seat. To recline the seat, squeeze and pull down on the handle found on the back of the canopy. To create the perfect space for nap time, you can also adjust the footrest. The Dune and Reef seat also features the iconic Silver Cross Genius buckle that allows you to get your child in the seat quickly and effortlessly. You will also note that the harness straps have plush harness covers for extra comfort. One of the largest differences between these two strollers lies between the bassinets. The Dune comes with a compact folding bassinet, and the Reef comes with a first bed overnight sleeping bassinet that can be paired with the Silver Cross bassinet stand. Both bassinets can be easily attached and detached from the stroller frame with simply one hand. They feature ventilation both in the canopy and also at their base. To fold the Dune's bassinet, unzip the apron and recline the canopy. Then, detach the sides of the frame and pull down on the back until it's folded. You can then secure the fold with the elastic strap. To fold the Reef's bassinet, simply recline the canopy and engage the buttons found on either side of the frame. Gently push the frame down. The Dune and the Reef additionally feature a telescoping handlebar wrapped in vegan leather. Both strollers feature the classic foot brake that is flip-flop friendly. You will also notice that the Dune and the Reef have extra large storage baskets that can hold all of your necessities. Now let's go over the wheels. Both the Dune and the Reef feature high-quality, never-wear tires. They also both have all-around spring suspension, which is ideal for a smooth ride. The difference between these two sets of wheels is that the Reef has larger wheels for an extra sturdy ride. To lock the front wheel on both strollers, simply engage the lever found on the back of the wheel. The weight capacity for both strollers is 55 pounds. As for total weight, the Dune weighs 25.4 pounds and the Reef weighs 27.5 pounds. We will now show you how to fold both strollers. Note that these strollers can be folded with the seat facing either direction or completely removed. To begin, make sure to lock the brake. While engaging the recline lever, arch the seat to a 90-degree angle and press on the button found on the top of the canopy. Guide the seat down until it rests against the basket. Then, move the push bar to the lowest position. Slide the smaller button on the push bar to the right, and while keeping it engaged, press the larger button again and guide the push bar to the ground. Both strollers will stand on their own without the push bar touching the floor and getting dirty. That wraps up our video today. As you can see, the Silver Cross Dune and Reef travel systems are beautifully designed to fit your everyday needs and make your life so much easier while sprinkling in a little bit of luxury. Thanks for watching. To shop these strollers or other baby gear items, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To learn more about another Silver Cross stroller, check out this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below with any questions you have about the products we sell. We'll see you next time.